In this video, I'm going to share how I made $197,354 in commissions from affiliate marketing using Google Maps. This is one of the most underrated strategies out there, and I'm going to break it down step by step so we can start using it too. I'll show you how to use Google Maps to find potential clients and opportunities for affiliate marketing. Next, I'll show you how to reach out to businesses effectively and offer them valuable services linked to your affiliate links or products or services that you will start promoting. And I will share the tools and template I used to streamline this process and turn it into a consistent income stream. If you are ready to learn a unique and a profitable way to make money with affiliate marketing, let's get started. I made this commission, by the way, guys, in the last year, okay? And just using free traffic. This is my affiliate account dashboard. And just last month, I made $17,975 in commission. This is my payment, this is my invoice, and it's paid as you can see over here. So the commission that you will make in this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, and so on. This is how this business works. I will show you step by step so much more. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, they are paying good commissions. Anyway, you can just click here on join now to create your affiliate account, and here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. And after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to start promoting services that people will be interested to buy from you on Google Map. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting, and I'm still promoting this service until today, and it's still working because this service will be never and ever saturated. Okay, so here is what you will do next. Pay close attention. Go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page. Click on the search and search for social media marketing. Search for this one. Okay, click on this service like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do for you as an affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. So choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. So for example, you can choose like this one, top rated seller, level 2 seller, like this one. Even pro sellers are good. Like this one is good one, pro seller. She's really good, verified by Fiverr, and he can provide good service on social media marketing management. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see that this seller has 5 orders in queue. Let me show you. You guys can see here 5 orders in queue and over 1,000 reviews, which is really good. So what I will do, I will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Google Map. So let's go to Google Map. So just go and open your Google Map account like this and click on the search and search for restaurant USA and search for restaurants from USA or from Canada or from Australia or from uh, or from United States. Okay, because those countries are profitable countries and they will pay you money. Those restaurants from those countries, they are interested in because those countries will be interested from because those restaurants from those countries, they will be interested to buy social media marketing service from you. Okay, so search for restaurants in USA. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of restaurants here that you guys can check. You can see, for example, let's pick one. For example, let's choose this one. I'm gonna click on this one, and here you go. This is Birch restaurant. This one is good. Let's check. And you should see, if you click on the restaurant, you will see this bar. And if you scroll down, you guys can see they have a phone, they have a number phone here, and they have a website. So you have two options. If you speak English, you can pick the phone and you can call this restaurant and you can talk with them and you can provide that you are offering a social media marketing service if they are interested. Okay, and if you don't speak English, that's fine. Just click on website, click on their website like this, and you will be directly in their website like this. You guys can see, if we scroll down, I'm sure you will be directly in their website. And if you scroll down, I'm sure they have social media marketing accounts. So let me see. Let's keep scrolling down here. Okay, let's go. And here you go. This is what I'm talking about. You see, contact with us here. They have Facebook page, they have Twitter, they have YouTube, they have Pinterest, and they have Instagram. Let's check their Instagram. For example, I will click on their Instagram. You will be directly in their restaurant page on Instagram. You guys can see, this is what I'm talking about. You see, they have, and they are posting, they are not getting a lot of likes. You can see not a lot of comments. So I'm sure they will be interested to get social media marketing service. So what you will do, click here on message. They have this option. So you will send a professional message with your affiliate link to this restaurant page. So here is what you will do next. You will go to Google and search for ChatGPT, okay? And use AI to create a professional and friendly message. It's for free. Just click here on message and ask him create, okay? A professional message that I can send, okay? I can send to a restaurant page on Instagram, okay? On Instagram to buy social media, okay, service from my website, okay? And they will click here and they will get a professional message that I can use. You guys can see. I hope this message find you well. I come across your Instagram page and absolutely love what you are doing to showcase your restaurant. As a social media marketing specialist, I help businesses like yours maximize their online presence by creating engaging content, growing followers, and driving more customers to their doorstep. You guys, this is a professional and good message. What you need to do, you just need to copy this message like this. Go back to this restaurant page on Instagram and put this message here. And here you go. So you have here, you see this? You need to put your affiliate link here, okay? So we will put our affiliate link here. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. We need to make it short link. So what you will do, you guys can go to Google and search for bit.ly to make your affiliate links short links. Just click here on create new link. It's for free. Just search for bit.ly on Google and just put your affiliate link here and just click on create your link and you will get short affiliate link. And here you go. Go back to this Instagram page. Put your affiliate link here. Okay? And here you go. So what you need to do next, let me see if we can find something to edit here. Check this message if it's good. Okay, it's good. I will click on send and here you go. You are sending a professional message to this restaurant page on Instagram. You guys can see this is your affiliate link, this is your professional message, and you have a limited restaurant on Google Map. You have a lot of businesses on Google Map that will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, see, and here you guys can see they get back with this automated message. You see this, thank you for your message, we are not available at this time, feel free to check out our website or call customer service for any question. They send you their phone number. You guys can call this phone number and you can, like I said, if you speak English, you can pick the phone and call this restaurant and provide your service. Provide like it's your own service. So if they are interested, they will check your link. If they click on this link, for example, like this, they will be directly in this seller profile page. They will see this profile is good profile, pro seller, top rated seller, 5 orders in queue, over 1,000 reviews. If they click on continue, buy the service from you, you will earn commission, and that's it. And you will, let me show you how much you will earn. Okay, if we go back to Fiverr affiliate, you guys can see here that pro services you will earn 17% of the first order. Okay, you see this, a CPA of 17% of the intentional purchase amount, and you will keep making 10% of the future orders. So this service is for 220. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Let's go and ask ChatGPT. So like what I said, you will earn 17%. Let's go back to, let's ask ChatGPT so you can get a clear idea. Okay, what's 17% of, so here is how much you will earn. Okay, let me show you. Let's ask ChatGPT so you guys can understand and to see the potential of this business. 17% of $220 is $154. For just one customer, you will earn $154. So you get just 2 customers per day. It's like $300 per day, and you have a limited. Look how many restaurants you have here. You don't have just restaurants. You have uh, those clothing brand shops, you have coffee shops, and you have so much. You have a lot of businesses that you can start working on. Okay, and on their website you can find emails, you can find their Facebook account, you can find phone number, WhatsApp, and you can start reaching out to those customers. They will be interested to buy social media marketing service. From my experience, this is how I made so much money from just this one service. It's like SMMA. Okay, but you are doing it with affiliate marketing, and it's working, and it's still working until today. I'm still making commissions with this, and that's it. This is the method that you guys can use. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Inside my course you will get access to all my profitable services, and you will learn a lot. I'm not using just Google Map, of course not. I'm using also Pinterest, I'm using YouTube, I'm using TikTok, Instagram Reels, and so much more. If you are interested, you can reach out to me and I can explain everything to you and show you exactly how you can scale this business. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.